Hello and welcome back. So today we're having fun with bridging, so I can tell that Fleur's totally psyched about this one. So we are going to just delve a little bit more into thinking about how we move. Because when we do classes, we often just do what we're told to do, whether we like doing the movement or not. I'd like you to have permission to not do something if it doesn't feel good to you, and to instead choose something that you really enjoyed and do more of that. So there are three key questions that you could ask yourself. It could be, well, what feels good to me today? What do I want to do more of? And maybe that is what your practice is going to be based around today. It could be, what doesn't feel good in my body and what could I do differently? So you could be curious and you could explore being uncomfortable with the aim to making it more comfortable. So finding solutions for those things that are really challenging for you. And then the third question that you might like to ask yourself is, what does my body want today? So instead of you imposing on your body, you allow your body to move in the way that it wants to move, and just giving yourself even 10 minutes of just exploring something and moving in ways that are not prescribed, that are not part of the Pilates repertoire, that are not designed for a specific outcome apart from pleasure, so that we can move through pleasure. So we're going to play a little game here, and Fleur is going to essentially explore those three things. So we usually do bridging with both feet on the ground, both arms on the ground, and everything very symmetrical, right? So now we're going to explore not being symmetrical. So I'm going to ask Fleur, for example, to move her right leg closer to the camera and to move her left arm out to the side. And I want her to do her bridge there and to see what it feels like. And then come down. And maybe she just wants to do that again. Good. And now I could say, so how does that feel, Fleur?
Wonky.
Feels wonky. Okay.
Yeah.
So how about choosing something else? So wonky is okay. So what else could you do? Where would you like to put your feet and your arms? So move your other foot somewhere other and move your arm somewhere else. Oh, okay, good. And here we go, coming up again and lowering down. So what did you think of that choice?
I like that because then with my arm up, I can feel a stretch.
Feel a stretch through there. Okay, so that could be something else that you could explore. How about trying something else? What else could you do? Ooh, challenging one. Lovely. Good. And how did that feel?
All right.
All right, yeah. Not your favorite though?
No.
Okay, let's try something else. Oh, nice. Okay. So introducing more movement through the upper body. Yeah?
Yeah.
Fantastic. So can you see how we could play and we could do plenty more different variations, and it doesn't necessarily have to be with a bridge. The bridge is just probably an easier way for you to be able to explore that and just see what feels good. You could put the legs together, you could cross one ankle over one knee, you could, do all kinds of things. You could put your arms together with your palms together, you could cross your arms over, you could put your hands on the front of your thighs. There's so many different options for you to explore and to just have a little bit of fun in your movement practice. So thank you very much for joining us for this month's problem solving. We did problem solving anterior hip pain, we looked at neck pain during forward flexion, and we looked at how to deal with back of the leg cramping when we're doing the bridging exercise. So I hope you've enjoyed this month of exploration. We look forward to seeing you back soon. If you haven't yet subscribed, please show your support. It takes a lot of time and effort to put these videos together, and we love to have you come back and visit us and, get notified when we produce a new video. So just hit the subscribe button below. And if you want any more inspiration, please feel free to have a look at the Teach Pilates with Confidence Academy, where you get access. I think I've got at least 10 to 12 different workshops and every single month a new one gets added. So, you know, the cost for each workshop just comes down. You always have access to it for as long as you are a member of the Academy, and you get to attend a free masterclass with recordings, all your questions answered. I'm always available for you to help you to be the best Pilates teacher you can be. So thank you for joining us. Thank you for your support. Thank you to Fleur for being here and helping me out. Bye.